Welcome to my new video, friends. The questions and issues in Hamster Kombat never end. We released a video yesterday about how we can connect to transfer our money to Binance. Many people connected to the wrong wallet. We received a lot of questions from there. A sense of panic took over. What will we look at today? We couldn't register on the Binance exchange. It won't connect and keeps giving an error. Why? We will look into this. Besides that, I selected the on-chain airdrop or I selected Telegram. What will happen, teacher? How many people have said this? I chose on-chain, and because of that, the airdrops I earned will go to others. Could such a thing happen? Of course not. There is no such thing. I will explain this. Is it possible to change wallets? We will discuss this. There are multiple Hamster Kombat accounts. What should I do, teacher? Should I connect to the same Binance? Should I connect? No. I will explain these. Let's move on to our video right away. Now friends, we have opened our phone screen and clicked on airdrop from the bottom right. There are options here. Many people have experienced this. They couldn't connect to Binance. They clicked on it. I was a bit late in the video, so it didn't connect in the video. But later it did connect to that account of mine, and many people have said this. It's not connecting. If you read the comments, you'll understand. What are we going to do? Friends, did it not work? Try again in 3 hours. Try again in a day. Don't panic. Yes, we have a limited time, but 100 million people are trying this. It's very normal for us not to connect. There is no reason to panic here. Try again later. On to another topic. I turn to my screen because I will be capturing this on my screen. Friends, I'm talking about Hamster Kombat with Bybit. There is currently a campaign for Kati. Here, you can earn 100 Kati, which is about $65-70. It's very simple tasks for new members. I'm leaving the link below. If you don't have a Bybit account, you can create one using my link to participate in this campaign and earn Kati. The hamster can come too. If you want to wait, you can wait. They told me the hamster will come unless there is a change. If you don't have an OKX account, friends, we have a very simple campaign where 80 million hamsters are being shared. I will leave the link for this in the video description as well. Click on Kati here and sign up through my link. That's all, friends. And complete the tasks. There are simple tasks available like depositing $100 and similar tasks for Binance. Friends, I am currently leaving a link in the video description. There is a link where you can earn $30. You can also sign up for Binance from there. At least join the exchanges in a beneficial way. Sometimes we can earn $150-200 while signing up. Other times it's $15-20, but I want you to join not for free, but by actually making money as much as possible. I originally recorded this yesterday because there was a lot of chaos, but it was postponed to today due to an update. The concept of the same video is similar. Only one item has changed. The item, "Can we change the wallet?" has been modified. That's why I recorded it again today. Honestly, we've been sleeping and waking up in the office for the past 3-4 days. Right now at 1 p.m. I'm preparing a video for you guys so that it can be quickly ready and you won't miss anything. There have been a lot of crying emojis because of this. Friends, we couldn't connect to Binance, we connected to on-chain. What happened? Actually, it's not a problem. We can do it there as well. Now, I will explain how you can do this from your Telegram wallet or on-chain. By the way, our video is also a prize-winning video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to our channel, and shares the stability activity will win 600 TL from us. Also, if our plastic toys increase, we will send you models related to crypto. Now, I selected an on-chain airdrop for you yesterday because there were many who couldn't do it. The time for withdrawal has come, and I was going to explain how we can do it from the on-chain airdrop. That's why I chose the on-chain airdrop for this account. Now, my friends, many people did this. They cried yesterday. They said, we couldn't select Binance, and while trying, we accidentally chose on-chain. And what will happen? Did our money disappear? No. The reset option has arrived, friends. This is also the reason why we are filming this video for the second time. Yesterday, there was no possibility of a reset. Look, I also chose the on-chain rope to explain to you how it was drawn. But yesterday, there was no possibility of a reset. Today, you can reset and drink without Binance or Bybit or OKX. I will explain this. At the very bottom, there is a reset withdrawal option. You click on this, friends. From the reset, choose another option. I said, okay. Look, just a moment ago, all the possibilities were inactive. It has now been reactivated. You can come back to Binance and select again. The important thing to pay attention to here is that some friends have mentioned that the last digit of the Binance deposit address is changing. There are address manipulation software on phones using Android. We have heard many examples related to this before. Be careful about it. Your deposit address on Binance will be exactly the same. Your mood will be exactly the same, my friends. Now, questions and issues related to Hamster Kombat keep coming in. As they come, we are making videos. I am really going to fly to Singapore right now. My first flight starts tomorrow, but even if I fly, there won't be a camera. Update videos will keep coming in from the phone screen. So, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, friends. I will make a video about connection issues. Deceiving is bad. There are friends who have lost money and friends who have gained. What are these? What will we do? I will make a video about these. The withdrawal to Binance will be activated when it is live, which is not the case right now. The airdrop has been announced and we will make a withdrawal to Binance. I will also shoot a video there. Some friends have experienced this issue. For example, when entering the Binance account, the final state has been different for some friends. Any letter changes. There is something happening on Android friends. Sometimes there is manipulation. There are manipulation spam software. Make sure your phone is secure. Ensure that the address on Binance, your deposit address, and MIMO are exactly the same as here. If any letter is different, it didn't work, friends. They all need to be the same. I hope it has been helpful. Please let me know your questions so that you can determine the topic of the next video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.